Korea's leading fishing brand, Sapa Fishing and Camping Company Limited. The limitless of technology and productivity. Spacious retail store and variety of items to choose from. One-stop guide from fishing experts. Achieved first place in the fishing rod category of 2021 brand value evaluation. 100% Korean production by operating a domestic fishing rod manufacturer. Live commerce that is full of various deals and excitement. Selected as the first K brand in the fishing industry. A reliable brand that has been building trust through winning countless awards and more. Premium Dodo, a freshwater fishing rod well received by famous professional fishers. Double Kill Light Jigging Rod, a thrill-stimulating boat fishing rod. Double Kill Metal Saw Cephalopod Fishing Rod, the supreme cephalopod fishing rod. You don't need to remember Sapa. Just get away and enjoy your time.
싸파 파이팅!
Sapa.